Ash here with ShowPhaze, third year running here at InfoComm. Still showcasing our app. It's going from strength to strength, helping us with all of our operations essentially. We now have 10,000 technicians on our roster nationwide. That's coast to coast, all the way up into Canada as well. We're trusted by our clients. We're really looking for that partnership-focused, way of working. We're not just in it for the money. We're looking to do long-term relationships with our clients. All of our technicians come fully vetted. We are technician-focused as well, so making sure that they're taken care of, meaning that our clients are taken care of in return. Fast financials are a big goal for us, essentially. Estimates are generally going out same day or within 24 hours. Unless it's a bigger show, then we take a little bit more time on it. Final invoices within 5 business days, and then payroll, fast and efficient for our technicians as well. They don't have to send us invoices because we send them POs. So, as a contractor, before I started ShowPhaze, segueing into that, that administrative side of the job essentially was always difficult. So we're looking to eliminate those headaches for the contractors. But as I said, all of our contractors come fully vetted. We're looking for consistency, client satisfaction, partnership focused, and quality over volume. Come check out showphaze.com. If you're a contractor, download our app, create a profile. We'll find some work for you in your area. If you're a client looking to work with a company that actually vets their techs, reach out. Thank you.